I received this product for you to try, but I'm so impressed. Starting with the wrist strap here, it has an extra ring for your keys. That gold color is such a great combination with the black, and then you can attach the wrist strap to the ring over here, which is actually also a keychain type of closure here. There are so many zippers, starting with this one, so your ID will be safe here. And then the coin little pocket on the side. We still get coins here and there, so it's nice to have a option to put them here. Inside there are so many pockets as well. There's a big one here for your money, and then for your cards. And over here you can even put those little library cards that come like very skinny and tall, or you know, some little notes or anything you want to put on this side. I like how the color inside is different, so you can still see your things. It's very shiny, and the name is, the brand's name is here. Quite nice, very impressed.